Homie's putting in the work. He's been at it for the same bolt for the last 3 hours. Hasn't moved a dime. So now we're gonna get the starter, and then yeah, I don't know what else to get. I need some pillars. I need the starter relay. Yeah. It's always some shit with these cars. So we took this starter out, but I don't know, they didn't give us a lot of confidence. Seems like it's been beat up. So the homie's putting in work in the other Accord, and I'm just gonna go out there and look for little things that I need. I haven't ordered the turn signals for 96, 97, the clear ones. I need the little trim pieces from the windshield, and let's see, this one, those are all black. Nice. I might get those because I don't want to be spray painting. Come on, let's go with good condition black ones. Yeah, good enough. So I'll be doing that then. No, I will not be picking up those rear lights. Wait. It's cool. Somebody who had this car has enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll be taking this part out. All right, so we're back at the crack house. Hopefully the install, I was able to pick up a OEM starter. So that should be pretty fun. And then replace it. And I also got the ignition switch. I had an OEM one from a while back. Open your trunk, Phil. Oh, okay. Hey, wait. Oh, nice. BMWs. I had a ignition switch OEM with the cylinder from a while back that I picked up from eBay. So that's one less thing. And then I picked up fuse relays. Cool. Also picked up fuse relays, so I'll be switching that one out as well. And then hopefully no more BS, man. So let's get this junk out of the way. Stupid ass starter. Big shout out to homie Armando. This is the Uber for today. It's clean E30. Super clean. Got it a while back. He has coilovers for it. He's still thinking about getting some wheels, but he's playing too much. He doesn't want to lower yet. I don't blame him. Once he start lowering shit, cars become unreliable, and this car's been super reliable for him. Super nice. Like, damn. Super clean too. So yeah, he's just tying up. I already put the starter in. He's just tying up a few little things at the end, and then yeah, man, she looks nice, but if only she drove the way she looks. But yeah, we'll see what's up. All right, here we go. So okay, so we got some It's not sticking! Yay! See, you are my lucky charm. That's because of the air intake, not the espantes way. Cool. Fuck yes. So it was a starter, I think, and the fact that the battery has been charging at AutoZone for the last, I don't know, 10 hours. So I think it was a mixture of the battery and the starter. For sure the starter, that's basura, so I picked up an OEM one. And so the issue was this. Right now, it's on, right? The issue was when I turn it off, like that, the starter kept cranking, kept engaged. So I replaced the ignition switch, and this is a new cylinder as well. So cool. She's running again. Yeah. So now it's just a matter of putting some air on that tire. For whatever reason, it got flat. But yeah, she's moving. Para enfrente, güey. Right here. Yeah, güey. That's why when people ask me how come you don't bring your car out, I have to move like 3 fucking cars. We had to jump start that one. Pain in the ass. Let me sweep this little thing. It's leaking oil and shit. It's always leaking something. I have a question for y'all. I know you guys can hear that freaking noise on the right side. I thought it was my upper control arm, but I replaced it and it's still making that noise. So any suggestions? So yeah, that's, I don't know what the noise is. I thought it was my upper control arm and I replaced it, but I guess not. Útil. All right, so she's moving. Pretty stoked. We went to the car wash just to rinse her off because it was just really dusty, and so now we're actually doing a much better wash. Mi Armando putting in work. To the wheel. So yeah, finally she's out on her own power. She feels good, so no complaints. Just gotta wash her now, and then hopefully tonight I'm able to do a little project that I had in mind. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't, but yep. Homie always comes in clutch, man. We just talked for 40 minutes about his car. I think it's like the 5th time we've done that. It's cool. I need to get myself an E30. Vamos, güey. Dude, cool. They're not that intimidating. I was looking, he was explaining to me all the things he's done, and it's not that intimidating. But yeah, Chev's just kicking it there. Give her a little quick wash. She's looking okay. We'll see what we gotta do. Fix some more stuff. Shout out to the homie Easy. Shout out to Isaac, Old School Honda. But yeah, she's good for now. So much orange peel that needs to get fixed, but it'll get done. I gotta clean that engine compartment. Anyways, appreciate the support, appreciate the love, and we out. Say bye, Chubbs.